One of the most important festivals of the Khasis is the Shat Sukmansim, also known as the Dance of the Joyful Soul. It is celebrated annually in the month of April at the Waking Ground situated at Jayao, Shillong, Meghalaya. The festival starts with prayers by the elders in the morning, followed by the Ksing Lompad at noon to gather the crowd at the Sengkhasi Hall, Maukar. The people then march along with the dancers to the beat of the drums until they reach Waking Ground. Shat Sukmansim is a rich traditional thanksgiving dance of the Khasis to offer prayers to the Almighty God.
Well guys, I'm Ajay Zak here at Jayao Padang, and as you can see right behind me, we are marching towards the waking field, as we call it, the Madan Waking, the last and final day of the Shat Sukmansim.
Upon reaching the entrance, the elders, dancers and members of the Sengkhasi offer their prayers and rituals just before the dance.
Kapan nungkong nusap nakaliang jongi kasing kasi kami ka ay kublay Shat Sukmansim ya boro ki parkour ki parha ki perlok ki perjor ki bawan manje simenta kani ka Shat Sukmansim ka bre ka Shat ai ngu ka kun kasi khara open pau ya lau play try kerat nong bu nong thau banne bansa ki riti ki dustur bat kham tam nak benda lakajong kalong niam long rukom kadi ka Shat ai ngu ka bangi pen pau so nong bu nong thau si sien si snem yaki jingkurku ku ba ublay try kanrat olah tesei hangi gisnem boro silenter nadu karep karyang katrai kakta kapule keputi yaki kun samla ke ba menta bar kumta ter kalong ru akajo kapor ka kerpat ka kerpon ba unang yai te sei yaki jingkurku hagi gisnem bagi por ke banangwan.
Ningkong nishap ya kinong pen kai jong ka Red FM ka Shat Sukmansim ka basuk ka bakmen ya kinong pen kai jong pi te nakaliang jong kasing ngi pedang buram ya baro ki bakwa baniwan simentalang hakni ka Shat jong khon khasikara.
Men and women dressed in traditional attire dance to the beat of the Ksing Nakra accompanied by the Tangmuri. The beautiful maidens dance at the center, while the men circle the women and dance around them, which also represents the men being protective of their women and their kingdom.
This is my first time coming here, so I'm feeling very great. So I've seen this, so it's really amazing.
Actually today I'm so excited because in the morning we saw the heavy rain is coming down, and now the sunshine, it's totally clear.
Only the virgin females are allowed to participate in the dance, and they will be seen holding a white handkerchief which symbolizes modesty and virginity. And finally, on the last day of the Shat Sukmansim, everyone marches back towards the Sengkhasi Hall, dancing to the beat of the drums with torches in their hands, chanting the Pawar, and beautifully end it with the Shat Masti.